Hi everyone. Welcome to the vlog. Guess what day it is? It's Monday. It's Monday, July 6th. My glasses are wet. What a weekend, I'm telling you. I don't know if I survived or not. It was a lot. It started basically on Friday when Mark had the day off. And we were working like crazy to get the crochet video out, and basically everybody was trying to scramble and get stuff ready for holiday parties on Saturday. The weather was ridiculously hot, as I'm sure a lot of you know. It was brutal this week and weekend. I'm trying to think, did I do anything exciting on Friday? Probably not. Probably spent most of my day right here doing crocheting and filming and uploading and getting ready for Saturday. And Saturday came, party time. We went to a party at Maddie's in-laws, which was wonderful, even though I don't think I've ever sweat that much in my life. But you know what? The company made up for the heat. It was hot. Then towards the end of the party came the rain. And a lot of people in the area lost power. We thankfully did not, because Shondi would have been a mess. But we kept the power on. Bowie, however, did not have a great weekend with all of the fireworks. He didn't want to go outside. And it was still hot. Yesterday, Sunday, we went out to a show, which was so good. Let me just take a minute to tell you about The Bridges of Madison County, the musical. I'm going to sneeze. Excuse me. That show was so good. I did not know what to expect because I didn't do any research going into it, but we have season tickets for the Playhouse that we go to that does summer stock. And it was so good. The story was so compelling. It was a drama with music, and we were all just amazed at the ending. It was so good. After that, we took our friend and we went out to eat after that. We had a nice dinner. Sean was an angel all weekend, which made life very nice. Because if Sean's happy, everybody's happy. So he loved it, and we had a nice dinner, like I said. We dropped our friend back off, and I came home, and we had a couple cookies for dessert that I had made for the party on Saturday. I made some delicious, if I do say so myself, Levain type chocolate chip cookies. And if you don't know Levain, it's a bakery in Manhattan, and they have some signature chocolate chip cookies that are kind of cake-like, a little bit crispy on the outside. They were good. I still have a bunch left because I made a double batch. I wanted to have enough so that I could leave the leftovers at the party for everybody to enjoy, and then still have some at home, because I'm not just going to turn on the oven and not have anything to show for it. So those should last for a few days. But yesterday was also the kickoff to Hell Week, which is this week. We have a lot going on this week. We've got 2 events on the weekend. One for crochet, one for veganism. And Big Brother is also starting on Thursday. And we're hoping that the cast is going to be released tomorrow. So we've set aside tomorrow already for making the cast assessment video. And it's just going to be a lot. Thankfully, the heat has broken. If you could see and hear, it is absolutely pouring outside right now. I got soaked. I had my raincoat on when I dropped off Sean, but I'm still soaked. Bowie got soaked. He did not want to go out last night in the rain, so he waited till this morning, and it was raining even more than it was last night. He doesn't like the rain. I brought up another chair from my parents' house that we have in the basement because I'm trying to clean one chair at a time, because I'm replacing our dining room chairs with my parents' chairs because they're more comfy. And when we sit there and have DVD, when we have D&D, oh, we have DVD every week. No, we don't. We have D&D, and it's not every week. It's like once a month or once every 3 weeks maybe. But it's a lot of fun, and I don't want to be uncomfortable when we're sitting there for a couple of hours playing a game, so I'm switching out my parents' chairs. And they're nice. They're very nice chairs. They're not my style, but they're comfy. They're very comfy. We had farmhouse chairs, like Windsor chairs, all wood, all oak, with our oak farm table, which we've had for, I want to say, like 30-something years. Served us well. Kristen's cats destroyed them. Not the chairs, the table. They decided that they were going to do a little chainsaw carving of the legs of the table, but you know what? It gave them character. And I'll always remember her cats. In a good way, even though they destroyed my furniture, I still love them. They were very charming and special and worthy, so I'll always look at the table and remember them fondly, not, angrily. I'm waiting for Maddie to come this morning. She's going to be here in an hour. Got to get back to crocheting because, like I said, we have that market this weekend. I didn't do any food shopping this weekend. Mark and Kristen went out on Friday because they had to pick up some ingredients for the party. Because Maddie was making a dish and I made the chocolate chip cookies. I don't know if I'm going to go and try and run into the store today, because I'm not going to go shopping until Wednesday, so I don't know if I have enough food to get through Wednesday. Like, of course we have enough food, but I mean, do I have enough of the staples, like milk and, I did buy butter. Well, Mark bought butter with Kristen. I don't think we have any bread left. So we might have to go and pick up a few of the staples. And, yeah. I feel like I've accomplished something by surviving the weekend. I knew it was going to be crazy going into it, but it's going to be even crazier this weekend too with the market, because we have all the market prep to do and Big Brother starting. So, yikes. If the coverage of the vlogs is not thorough this week, I'm sorry, but we have so much going on. I promise you the week after, like the Monday video, you're really going to like it, because we're going to go somewhere special. And it's going to be a lot of fun. And it's going to probably be super emotional, because I'll just tell you right now, we're going to go to a vegan sanctuary. An animal sanctuary. It is vegan as well. And I've never been to one before, and I'm really looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to crying, because I know I'm going to be super emotional and super touched over the love that people have for these animals. And the daily grind that goes into taking care of them. I can really appreciate that. So I'm really looking forward to it. And I'm going to stop rambling on right now, because I got to get ready to start my day. It's a long day. Yesterday I got up at, I think it was 7, and I did not go to bed, no naps, until 2 in the morning. So it's been a weekend. But we'll check back, and when we have something important to say. Do we ever have anything important to say? Probably not, but I'll just tell you what happened.
Hello, little miss. Lemmy's in her cushion. Little miss. Why? What'd you think I said?
I don't know. I thought you were calling the people watching us something.
No. Oh my god, I have to tell a funny story though. We were coming back from the show yesterday. Did you tell everybody what we saw?
Yeah.
Okay, so we were coming back from the bridges of Madison County, and then we got dinner with our friend, and we went home. But we hit like a major rainstorm on the way home, and the windshield in the car was getting a little bit foggy too.
Oh God, that's right.
Because it was hot out. So, Shandi...
In only the way that Shandi knows how to do things.
was asking, what time is...
Effing over.
Yeah, and we were like, what? And he kept saying it. We were like, oh boy, what are you saying?
Yeah.
And then finally we realized he was saying foggy, but it didn't sound like that. So
his pronunciation not so good.
we were dying in the car.
Yeah.
We were also delirious by that point, but
my hands were also numb from gripping the steering wheel.
it was a crazy storm.
Probably the worst storm that I've ever driven through.
Yeah, it was torrential downpour.
And I refuse to pull over on the highway because
Seems dangerous.
it seems more dangerous to do that than to just like go super slow with your hazards on.
But anyway, we are getting some lunch together now.
Fogging's over.
But not the vlogging. It's a few minutes before 4, so this is definitely later than we like to eat, but it just worked out that way today.
Yeah.
So, it is what it is.
We're
But
having potpourri lunch.
yes. I have here a random vegan hot dog with some stovetop lasagna. You just cut up some lettuce. Mexican was available, but neither of us went for it today.
No. There's also French fries that nobody went for.
Yeah. We both ended up picking the same thing, which is pretty funny.
Yeah, we didn't plan that.
No. But we're going to have some lunch.
Yes.
Do some more crochet work. I got to do a little bit of computer work today, too. Just a little bit.
Am I in horrible lighting right now?
Medium. Medium to bad. But we'll be back later.
I stole the steak. Oh, what are you doing?
I'm putting the faux fur on a skunk.
Oh. I am making popping Hoyas.
Yeah, pop 'em.
Whee!
Pop 'em if you got 'em.
Pop them back in.
So I have to say, because I didn't really get to talk about it earlier, that musical yesterday was so good.
I told everybody how good it was.
We
Sean, that's kind of
loved
loud.
it.
It was amazing.
Yeah, very, very well done.
We were all incredulous at the end, and we were all emotional.
Yeah. The music was so lush, so
Yes.
gorgeous. So we had a really great time.
Yeah.
And then, did you tell everybody about 4th of July?
Yeah.
That was a very fun day, too. It was really hot, but it was a fun day.
It was really hot. But I said the company made up for the heat.
Yes, excellent company.
Yes.
So that was fun.
And wonderful hospitality on the part of your in-laws for always inviting us.
Oh, yes.
They are 1 in a million.
Yeah, always a good time.
Yes, I love them.
So it was a busy weekend.
It was.
I'm exhausted.
I don't even know if we survived or not.
I don't know. I did go on the bike today, which was exciting because I only went on like once last week because it was just so hot.
Yeah.
But it was nice to get back on there. I finished Remarkably Bright Creatures, the book, so now I get to watch the movie.
How nice for you.
The book was really good, but as expected, the end just like, oh.
It's a tearjerker, huh?
It made me sad. Made me sad. Because of the octopus, obviously.
Well, yeah.
But, you know, I won't get into it all now if you guys haven't seen it, but there are other things too where it's just like, oh my god, that's so sad.
Yeah.
But there was also a lot of hope at the end, so
Okay, well that's good.
that was nice.
I
And
don't
now
know how much crocheting I'm gonna get to tonight because I am exhausted.
I know. I'm really looking forward to just relaxing with Sean, and we're gonna just chill, watch a little TV, of course.
Well, it's the calm before the storm because the Big Brother cast comes out tomorrow.
I know. I'm excited. I'm excited to see who we're gonna be watching all summer.
Mm-hmm.
That's always fun.
I don't think we're gonna get the whole story tomorrow.
No, I think there's gonna be people that are gonna be revealed on premiere night.
Right.
So we'll see. But I'm excited to see like what they're gonna give us.
Uh-huh.
And I just saw that the cast is supposed to be coming out at noon Eastern time tomorrow.
Oh my god, it's so soon.
Ah!
It's much less than 24 hours. It's like 19 hours.
But it's gonna be fun, hopefully.
19 hours, we're gonna be in the trenches.
Yeah. And I saw too that they're really trying to like push their new YouTube thing that they got going on.
Platform?
Yeah, they're calling it the Big Brother Broveal.
Oh.
And it's supposed to be happening on YouTube, so we'll see what that's all about. Hopefully it's very easy to access and enjoy.
How much you want to make a bet it crashes on the first day?
It better not, because we have a schedule that we need to keep to.
It better don't.
Yeah. So that's that. But
Wow.
we have a birthday shout out.
We certainly do. And that is a very special birthday shout out.
What do you got? Who you with?
Well, hope this is correct. Let's see. That's Kristen, of course. On Tuesday, July 7th, Steven from the Tea of Texas's birthday.
Steven, happy birthday. Are we sure it's him? Because I feel like we got his birthday wrong last year. Or no, it was a different Caleb last year.
Yes.
Okay.
I think.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think you're right. I think you're right.
Uh-huh.
But hello to both Steven and Caleb.
Yes.
And happy birthday,
Steven.
Steven.
Sorry, Kristen's being so rude right now.
Well, she doesn't know we're filming.
I know. But, like, we're getting rapid fire texts, both of us.
Yes.
I think.
I am also getting them.
Are you
yes.
also getting it?
Yeah.
You were smart enough to turn off your alerts, though.
Yes.
Well, I don't know how old you are, Steven, but you look great.
Yes. Thank you for being such a wonderful part of this community.
Yes. And our friend.
Yeah, we hope you have an amazing birthday.
Yes. Hope you're living your best day, week, month, year, lifetime of birthday happiness. How lucky for you to be born on the day that they are releasing the 28th Big Brother cast.
How about it?
I know, right? You know what they do on my birthday? Nothing.
Well, sometimes we're off for Martin Luther King Day.
Sometimes. But it's not about me.
No.
Big Brother's for everyone. That's an honor. No, it's an honor to be on...
Yeah, I was going to say, what are you talking about? That's
I
a
don't
huge
know.
honor.
I'm used to having that day all to myself. And then, how many years ago did they start Martin Luther King Day? It had to be like... Now I'm going to embarrass myself and not know when they started that. I think it's over 20 years, right?
Yeah, it's as long as I remember.
Yeah. Might be even 30 years.
I'm pretty sure it's like a long time.
Well, you know what? It was overdue.
Yes, absolutely.
It was overdue. It just so happens that his birthday is close to my birthday.
Yes. All right. Well, anyway. Steven, happy birthday.
Happy birthday! And I'm ding dong glad of it. Before I continue to ramble on and make no sense whatsoever, I'm gonna go.
All right.
Because I'm already falling asleep.
Oh boy. Well, thank you everyone so much for watching. We will also be having a new crochet video tomorrow.
Oh my god!
So it's a busy day,
It's gonna be very busy.
but it should be fun. So
Isn't
hope
it
you'll
always?
join us. Yes. So thanks for watching, and until next time.
Much love. Bye, everybody.